Hi Fit Fam, welcome to Tips from Stella Fitness and day 3 of our Fit Body Challenge. Just continue marching in sport with me so that we warm up our bodies, preparing the heart, the muscles for this workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're returning, I am very happy to be having you. Today we are going to be working on the chest area. Having strong chest muscles promotes Perkier breasts, which is a bonus for us. So if you don't know, we are doing a 30 days April Fit Body Challenge, and at the end of this challenge I promise you that your body will be fitter, you will be healthier, you will be feeling awesome, and I'll be uploading a new video daily. And getting into the first exercise, that is the chest fly. So you want to open and close, open and close, pressing onto your fist and pulling those abs towards the spine. Just give me 30 seconds of this. Open, close and close, reaching out your arms to as far as you can get. Open and close, and we are going to be moving into the chest press in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you want to bring your hands up. This is the second move, and we are going to begin bringing the hands forward and back while pressing onto your fist, forward and back. As you're bringing your hands forward, it's like you're pressing onto something hard, and back, forward and back, forward and back. Just give me 5 more seconds. And back, forward and back. Just one more. Forward and back. And getting into the next exercise, still 30 seconds of this. So you want to bring your hands forward and you want to press onto your palms, and you want to pull your hands towards the chest and back. Pull towards the chest and back, feeling those arm muscles and chest muscles working, and back. Press towards the chest, press towards the chest and back, press and back, press and back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And getting into that elbow press. So you want to bring your hands at the back of your head, and you will begin bringing your elbows towards your head and back, pulling in those abs towards the spine so that you keep them engaged. We are doing 30 seconds of this. And back, press slowly and bring it back, press and bring it back, press and back, press and back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And getting into that 30 seconds of the next move. So you want to get your hands into a prayer position, and you want to begin pressing at your palms, and you want to bring them at the top of your head and bring it back. Press, bring it up and bring it down slowly. Pressing, bring it up, release and come down slowly. Press, bring it up and bring it back down. Keep pressing, feeling those muscles in the chest working as well as the arms. Give me for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax it out. We are going to be repeating this session one more time, beginning with the chest fly. So you want to begin straight away. Press onto your palms, open up and back, open up and back, open up and back and back, back and back. Keep breathing, pulling in those abs. Give me for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and next that chest press. So you want to bring your hands up and you want to begin bringing forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, using resistance and back, feeling as if you are pushing onto something hard, and back, bring it forward and back, and pressing onto your fists up towards the spine, feeling your muscles working for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And the next, bring your arms forward, press onto your arms and bring them back to the chest, back and back, press and back, feeling your arm muscles working, your chest muscles working, press and back, press and back. Keep breathing, don't tie your breath, press and back, press and back for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And getting into that elbow press, hands behind the head. So you want to bring it forward and back, forward and back. You can see and feel your chest muscles working, forward and back, forward and back, pulling in those abs towards the spine so that we get them engaged as well. Your arm muscles are working here too. Rest and back for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Getting into that prayer position. So you want to put your hands together as if you're praying, and we shall begin pressing and lifting up and back. Press, lift up and back. 30 seconds of this, guys. This is also the last one, and back. You're doing amazing. Press, lift up and back, working on those ligaments in the chest, those muscles for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax it out, getting into that final stretch. You want to get into position and bring your hand backwards, and we shall be holding this right there for 30 seconds, feeling that gentle stretch in your chest area. You can do a wrist rotation while at it if you like, and just keep holding it right there. Keep breathing, pulling in those abs towards the spine. This is our final stretch, guys. You have done an amazing job. So just continue holding it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back, and the other arm, bring it backwards, stretching it to as far as you can get. So just keep holding it right there, breathing in, breathing out, feeling that stretch in your muscles of the chest. Continue holding it right there. Keep going, continue holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Next, you want to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our workout today, guys. A high five if you've made it this far. Thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up and a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family on social media. Invite them over so that we get into this challenge together. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family over here. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you tomorrow in the next workout, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye.